Okay, so today we'll be taking this beautiful bike for a test spin. This bike it's a crossbreed. Reason why I said that is it started off as a Jamco, but now it has an Eagle engine inside. It started off as a 150, but now it has a 200 cc Eagle engine inside of it. Wait, I did that? Oh my gosh. We are going to take this bad boy for a test ride. Yeah, just a quick walk around of the motor. So the owner bought a brand new tank for it. Hopefully camera picks this up. Front cog, brand new chain, brand new rear sprocket. All of them the brand new in by feet. So that's how I take it for a quick spin. Hopefully it starts up without any problems. Eh? Me nah like him, man. So this is it. The bad Eagle. Eagle / Jamco crossbreed. Now this bike, it is actually up for sale. The owner is selling this bike. He priced it at 85. So if anybody interested, share the video and let the other bikers know that this bike is up for sale. It's a daily ridden bike, so it basically has no faults right now. Right, the owner is basically changing out everything where I get all to brand new parts and them stuff there. So you guys can definitely now look there. The bike are chuckle nice. As I mentioned, this bike is up for sale. It's for 85,000 negotiable. So you come look on the bike and see what you not like about it, where you want to take off, you know, where you want deduct price off and all of them things there. So we're going to take a little ride on the bike and I'm going to go into my impressions of the bike. I'm done. Go into my little impressions. I'll make sure the camera position properly and thing. Alright. Woo! Woo! Whoa! Yeah, baby! So I take top road, I nah position the camera down a bit. I haven't ridden around here in a very long time. Very, very long time. Oh God. See me I take a corner wide. Long time in a ride around here, so done. About 3 years or more. Crosby Dan? You know the thing? Eh? Of course we will catch you. They are pass through the area and I go and record a little video. That one I feel weird, you fret brother. I'm not used to them bike at G. You don't know say big up Crosby? Yeah man. Yeah? Alright bro, little bit. Woo! I'm not even ride for 5 minutes good. I'm buck up on a bridge already. Yo! I'm not lie, the bike have power dog. Yeah man, the brother you know own the bike, yeah? Him treat it good, me not gonna lie to you. Not because I'm a brethren, but him treat the bike good done. You see me? As me say, it's a daily ridden bike. And thing. Holy Holy shit, yo, vibration, my god. My foot them are going numb by the time I don't ride this. Oh god. My foot them are going numb by the time I don't ride this, brother. Woo! Holy shit. Yo, front brake up there, kinda. To him said soft, but to me this is good amount of brake. You see me? Good amount of brake, bro. Yes! Yeah man, the bike here when you open it, it answer. It answer, man. Damn. I think me approach Cavaliers. Claypole, yeah, Claypole me there now. I haven't been around here in years, man. Hey, puppy. Puppy, you run off of your backside, you see? Woo! I think them supposed to fix the road, them run it. Oh, they must start fix them, so then they go right there, so. Yeah. The gears. Whoa, that road they broke down. Oh, that means there was a huge landslide around here then. Dang. The gears. Yeah man, if you change gears, clean. Yeah man, if you change the gear them, it feel clean, dog. Clean, brother, like you don't feel no thought of lagging or no unresponsiveness, you see me? Everything just feel clean. Ah, see them fix up. Yeah, road works. One thing with them, you see, once the road just done pave, you have to take time, man, cause a be aisle upon it, be aisle. So you've got to take your time, brother. And I don't want to drop anybody's bike. Rather drop my own bike than to drop somebody's bike. Hope the view is alright. Dude, I think I'm between second. Which gear that? Oh, that was second gear. Second gear feels very nice. It don't feel laggy. And it don't feel slow. You see me, once you open out second, yeah, we feel the pull. Yeah man. You used to always afraid my bike run over here, so. So if you want to go around this name, blouse and skirt, SXL and them place there. Manners. Can't find a hand. If you want to go SXL and them place there, you gotta take that turn there. And yeah man, this bike has some get up and go, bro. Yeah man, it has some get up and go. Cavaliers. So we're in Cavaliers. It's amazing that they can hear this bike. And it's silent. Second gear. Third. Hey, remember one time when we used to ride up here so and rain catch me. I respond me these stop. Oh, that's all, yeah. Oh, that's all me these stop. Or somewhere around here so. Yep, we have a horn. Hey, cat! Come on, cats. Y'all supposed to be smart. Wow! Drop that gear there. Blood seed. Woo! Thank God for front brake. Almost went into that pothole. Aggressively, bro. Third gear. Second gear. Whoa! Ah, sitting flying on me helmet. Third gear, that you know, feel like laggish. Ugh. Something got one little fly getting on my helmet and bother me a while ago start. So here so now, how them call here so again? You can take here so and go Parks Road, Bovrocks, and them place there. Yeah. Forgot how them finger point or something like so them call right here so. Woo! Woo! Yo, road kind of greater, or gritty, I don't even know what's the word. Couple years back, I broke down, my bike broke down right there. Which part of the car there? Couple years back, my green bike, my tire did a punch, my tire did a deflate rather. You see me? And why, if you know them road there, you know, say enough you ride at night. Cause I be a thief there out there so. Fourth gear, fifth gear. Oh, fifth gear is laggy. You hear it? Fourth, third. Hey puppies! Woo! Backbone say a fret. Hey, pothole! Third gear. Second. No, that was second. Okay. Woo! Woo! Whoa, that car, nice. Looks good. So the area that I'm approaching now is called Burn Shop or Bun Shop. Usually a lot of bad things happen around this side. Yeah, but usually a lot of robberies happen around this side. Pothole, boom. Yeah, whoa, shoot, my God, we don't put it tank. The back end on this bike. Boom, but whoa, holy shit, that's steep, bro. Damn. That is steep as hell. Me hate that little bump here because the driver them tend to come over upon my side. Go through. No bro, but for your engine, for your... What? Whoa, yeah man, the brake will stop you. The brake will stop you. Yo dog. Yeah man, the brake will stop you. If you want to know, the brake will stop you. And that was front brake only. Whoa. But that... Yeah. That Musca. I'm going to stop right down the corner. Yeah, I should not be doing this. Bad machine. Neutral. Come off I corner you know. Yep. Dude was like, yo, me see I shoot some video. What go on? Me have to say, yeah man, on YouTube me I do it for my G. I don't know spy thing. Yo bro, you put a drone in the sky and people think you're spying on them, bro. That's how Jamaica is. That's how anywhere is. You can take your son and go man in the side. Come through the high school around this. The high school, primary school. This now, I think we reach Golden Spring. Once I overlook here, sir. Golden Spring. Can't find a hand panda bike here, brother. Sure. Oh. So if you follow the road, go all the way down, you go end up out basically you go end up out at Old Road, Stony Hill Old Road basically. You see it? You end up out at Old Stony Hill Road, and that's where I basically rode in the video where I collected my gloves. That's basically where I rode. So the two roads basically join. Damn bro, the only thing I don't like about a bike here, vibration. Oh my god, we said the peg them are vibrate your fret. The pegs that he has on, they are metal. I think they're metal. So you know say metal contribute to vibration star. You see it, rubber absorb it. You see me? Look there, beauty. Dog, yes, I should come and shoot. Joan, oh, place pretty afraid. I have some drone footage of them. I don't want to stop. Almost reach out so. I'm going to take my road, my usual road for come back. I'm going to take that road. Buy some gas. Whoa, potholes. Yep, we almost reach. So I'm gonna just take the left and go back around. I can go around, so go take some drone shots too, you know. Should I get some drone shots? Not even sure. I'm gonna buy some gas at Sony. Kiddo! Papa's Day, air night. Whoa. Come on, fix the road. Nice. Thank you guys so much. We got some police here. That's a children home. Ooh, this bike pulls you back, bro. Some church service are going over there, so. Yay! Skirt. Buy some petrol and now. Our key there. Let me do the key. Oh yeah, man, change. Should I change batteries? Maybe.
Will only take off the loudness. Kid.